these are my noise canceling headphones, and I absolutely love these because they're very comfortable to wear. You can see it's made out of this cushion material, and I love that you can also fold it up and it's very nice and compact. You can put it in the carrying bag that it comes in, and also these are wireless, but you can also plug them into your laptop or your phone with these cables that it came with. When you open it, the first thing you're going to notice is that you have to connect it to Bluetooth. So you hold this down for about 1 second and it will turn on, and that's how you can connect it to your Bluetooth device. To turn it off, you hold it down about 3 seconds, and then you can control the volume here. And then this is the ANC, which is the active noise canceling. So if you turn this on, then it will be actively canceling the noise. You can kind of hear it turning on and off. So yeah, these are really good. I have tried many before, and I think that these have really worked for what I need them to. And of course it came with the charging cable and the little manual here. So overall, I would definitely check this out if you're in the market for new headphones. These are very comfortable and they're really worth, and I think they're pretty high quality as well. So make sure you check these out.